Hey, let's work on the UV-VIS experiment. First, let's get files from Chem 150 files, 155 instrumental analysis files, 3 UV-VIS of ternary mixture. I'm going to grab Cynthia's data here, and I'm just going to download it. And that should download to a file here, Cynthia SUV2. I'll save that. And then I'm going to open it here. All right, so that has opened. And I'll just place it in the window here. And I'm going to, says it's given me a warning here, possible data loss. And so to preserve these features, save it in an Excel file format. So I will say save as. And I will go down here and I'll save as type Excel workbook. And I'll save that right there. Great. Now I'm going to delete some excess data, right? This is just labeled 1, 1, 3, and 4. So these are sort of mystery columns. And then this first one here is wavelength. This is also wavelength, wavelength, and wavelength. So these are really not needed. So I will delete them one by one. Click on the D, right click, delete, etc. And now I'm going to insert a chart of type scatter straight lines up here. And I will select data, add series name. I will go ahead and put that right here. X values, I'm going to go here, shift control arrow down. And then I will click the little thing on the right there. Then I will get the Y values, and they will be down here, shift control arrow up, and then let go of the control down arrow once. Then I will say OK. That's clearly acetone. And now I'm going to add X values. I'll do the same thing. Click on A3, shift control arrow down. Click on this little button. Click on Y. I'll go here, shift control arrow up, shift arrow down once. And then the name here, I'm going to go ahead and point to this column. And that's ethyl acetate. And I'm going to add a third column here. X values, same deal. Shift control arrow down. And shift control arrow up. Shift arrow down once. And I will give these this column heading here. Now, OK that. That's toluene. And now I'm going to go ahead and add this fourth data set. And I make its name in E2. I will specify the X values that are common to all of these and the Y values that are specific. All right. And there we go. There's our mixture. Okay, so now again in series, this is acetone, ethyl acetate, toluene, and mixture. So I'm going to write up here, I'm going to say acetone, ethyl acetate, toluene, and mixture. I'm going to clean up this graph a little bit. Double click on the x-axis, make that go from 200 to 350. So we only include the regions where there's actually absorbance. Okay, and I'm going to add a legend through add chart elements, legend, and I'll put that on top. And there we have the data. So that is part one.